Hi boys and girls, welcome back to History Lane. Here we meet some of our history's heroes through using our creative hands. Today we meet Avraham Avinu, Abraham, who was the first Jew. Known for his hospitality, he fed his guests well, so we'll be making a yummy treat today, edible cookie dough that you can feed your guests too. Here are the supplies we will need. A large bowl, measuring cups and measuring spoons, 3 small bowls, 3 spoons, a Ziploc bag, 3 containers with lids, and disposable gloves. These are the ingredients we'll need: coconut flour or other nut flour, margarine, brown sugar, salt, vanilla extract, sprinkles, white chocolate chips, 4 to 5 sandwich cookies, chocolate chips, and red food coloring. Let's begin. In a large bowl, whip together the following: 3/4 of a cup of coconut flour, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and a half a cup of margarine. Put on a pair of disposable gloves and combine the mixture with your hands, unless you have an electric mixer, in which case you should use that, with the supervision of an adult, of course. Mix until the dough comes together in a ball. Do you know how long ago Avraham lived? Hint, it was more than 3,500 years ago. To be exact, he lived from 1948 to 2123, or 1813 to 1638 BCE on the secular calendar. There's a whole lot to know about Avraham, but first off, he was the one to discover that there is only one God. He taught this idea to everyone he met. The guests he invited into his tent were fed and given a meal for free as long as they acknowledged Hashem, God, the creator and sustainer of all. Divide the dough into 3 equal parts. Place each part into a small bowl to be turned into a different flavor. Divide the dough in the first bowl into 2 parts. Add a couple of drops of red food coloring to one half and incorporate the dye until the entire dough ball is red. Speaking of inviting guests, Avraham was also known for his excellent Mesiras hosting. He cared for people in the technical aspect, ensuring that they had food and drink, but even more importantly, he showed interest in them. He cared about people and he showed it. Add a tablespoon of sprinkles to the other half and mix them in. Here's a prime example of Avram's Mesiras and caring. When the 3 angels came to visit him, he jumped up to greet them even though he was in the midst of a conversation with Hashem. Next, combine the 2 parts until the resulting ball has a marbled look. Then set the bowl aside. If you ever host people in your home, then you can take a leaf out of Avram's book. Of course, it's important to ensure that your guests have yummy food and a comfortable bed, but it is equally important for them to feel at ease and that you are glad to have them in your house. And now for some good old chocolate chip cookie dough. Add about a tablespoon of chocolate chips to the second bowl of dough and mix them in well. Set the bowl aside. For the last bowl, cookies and cream flavor, open up 4 to 5 sandwich cookies, scrape the cream into the cookie dough and crush the cookies in a Ziploc bag. Pour the cookie pieces into the dough and incorporate them into the mixture. What are some ways to make your guests comfortable? How can you show that you are glad to have them in your home? One idea is to smile at them and ask them to share a little bit about themselves. What other ideas can you think of? P.S. To learn more about Avraham, check out the video description below. Lastly, pack each flavor into a container and chill for 30 minutes. Then your edible cookie dough is ready to be enjoyed. Be sure to make a bracha, a blessing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you back again next week. Bye!